have made it to, as the sign says, Disney Springs. We're gonna go in here and do the cookie stroll. I think it's, no, I'm at the wrong place. The Christmas Tree Stroll, yeah. And see what else we can get into, maybe some good food. Let's check it out. Today, incidentally, it is very chilly here in Orlando. They're having a cold front. I think the high is supposed to only be 54 degrees, and we feel it. But we're not gonna let that stop us. We're gonna go to Disney Springs and have a blast. Come along with us. This tree is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so much fun to do this tree stroll. This is huge and it's gorgeous. This lets us know exactly where things are, and we can go visit Santa. That'll be fun.
The sky.
Snowing!
There's nothing quite as magical as spending.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing in Disney Springs, and it's beautiful. It's very gorgeous. Beautiful. Let it snow. This kind of snow. This kind of snow, not the other kind. Let's take a closer look. What can we see? I see turtles and seahorses. That bird, I'm sorry, I don't know the names of the characters. It's gorgeous. Very pretty. All right, we've seen two so far. All right, third tree, Nightmare Before Christmas. What gave it away? This thing spinning around at the top? No, that right there. Nightmare Before Christmas. I have never seen that movie, but there are some interesting things on the tree. Take a look. Very interesting. And oh, look at the eyes, I just saw that. And if you're a fan of the movie, I know you'd like it a lot. Adorable, very different. Oh, how cute. Beautiful, beautiful. Nightmare Before Christmas. Our next Christmas tree is the Princess and the Frog. Let's take a look. These trees are just so beautiful, especially at night. The lights twinkling and sparkling. You can see all the details on the trees. All right, we've now happened onto the Haunted Mansion tree. Look at it. Look at the detail of these things. That is gorgeous. And then look at more detail inside the tree. Oh, wow. Very detailed. Gorgeous. We have come upon the next tree. It is the Wish Tree. Let's take a look. I don't know any of the symbolism to this stuff, but let me know in the comments below. What is this? What does that mean? I see this, the beaker here. And I see this little, what is that? Tell me in the comments, what does that mean? Yeah, we haven't seen Wish, so, you know, all I'm thinking is a wish. Such detail. little squirrel right there. Come upon our next tree. It is the Disney Vacation Club tree. DVC. Here's some villas here. Golf carts.
Welcome. Y'all have a great night.
Old Key West Resort. I can't see all of them, but oh, look at this. This is so cute. It's a whole DVC villa right here. Very cute. Luggage. Let's see what else we got here. Vero Beach for luggage. Saratoga Springs. The different resorts. Very cute. We went into the Ganachery and got a hot ganache. Oh, that looks so delicious. And it's cold out here tonight. It's like 40 something. Can you believe that in Orlando? So this looks like it will be great.
So cute.
Yes. All right, let's try this hot ganache. This is, oh my gosh. That is super delicious. Now you do have to get through all of that whipped cream, which I'm about that. And then you get down to it, it's like a super rich hot cocoa made with maybe heavy cream. It is decadent, it is sweet, it is very holiday-like, and it's delicious. We have happened upon our next tree, and it is the Disney Plus tree. Let's take a look. Very cool. My favorite color of blue. Disney Plus at the top. It's simple, but I love the color. Gorgeous. Our next tree, we have found the Guardians of the Galaxy. Let's take a look. I like it. And his, let me go around this table right here. We can get a closer look. Okay, we have Groot and a bunch of other stuff that I'm not quite sure of. And a cassette player up here. And it's very cool. Adorable. So what pulled us over here was the donuts from this place called Everglazed. And we didn't decide to go in, but just take a look through the window at the amazing selection of donuts they have there. Fruity Pebbles, Coconut Delight, Chocolate Iced, Brooklyn Blackout, Classic Glazed, and let me zoom in. Yum! But we're not gonna do it. Okay, we have come to our next Christmas tree, and it is the Encanto Christmas tree. Let's take a look.
Mom, is it all the way in the end?
Oh, I'm sorry. Huh? The different doors. Luisa, Isabella, Dolores. Very cute. Our next tree is the Star Wars tree. And you can immediately tell why. You see those stormtroopers' hats, or not hats, but masks. lightsaber in the tree. Hopefully I can get it. Let me go back over here. And there is a lightsaber. We have come upon our next tree, and it is the cocoa tree. Our next tree,
Less busy bad.
Mickey Mouse and Friends. And you know that's gonna be adorable. Right in front of the World of Disney store. With the bow topper on top. Minnie would be proud. Our next Christmas Tree Stroll tree is Toy Story. Let's take a look. Adorable. I see Slinky Dog. He's hiding right here.
Oh.
This is gorgeous. It's been great checking these trees out. As we're walking through Disney Springs, one more opportunity to see live entertainment. We have this band right here.
So let's go somewhere no one else can see you and me. Or turn the lights out now. Now we'll take it by the hand.
I don't know the name of them. The names of the entertainment keep flashing on the screen, but they sound wonderful. And if it wasn't so chilly out here and we weren't so tired, we would love to stay and listen to this. They have so much live music out here at Disney Springs. It is wonderful. Our next Christmas tree is the Frozen tree. I see Olaf's nose, carrots. Very cool, very cool. Look at the detail, the ice skates, the icicles. Pretty. We have come upon the next tree, and it is the annual pass holder tree. Let's take a look. Has some very cute things on it. Very cute. Adorable. These trees are beautiful.
Here are a few more sights that we saw during our time here at Disney Springs. Which one was your favorite tree? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.